Hi everyone. So this is a follow-on update from yesterday's video. So the larger picture remains the same, that we are in leg Y of this W, X and this Y which is going on right now. And so this one you can see the first leg within Y, it was 5 wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one was quite large with a huge gap. And yesterday we did started a retracement of this, which looks like is going to be in form of ABC so far. So because we see 5 legs up in this A, as we are going to see shortly in an hourly time frame, and then right now we are in B, and then eventually we should have something like C, so which should complete this retracement and also likely fill this gap. And to what extent this retracement will happen, we discussed this in yesterday's update, that I mentioned that 50% to 61.8%, that would be an ideal retracement zone, but it's not necessary. It could even shoot up above this, or maybe even it may not even penetrate it fully. So let's see how it evolves, and we'll go from there. So now if I go to hourly time frame, then I can see this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave third usually have gaps, so which you can see here. So this was 5 wave up, so this is why I'm saying it looks like A to me, and then we are currently in retracement of this rise, so which is essentially B. Now within this, if you see, we have down, up and down. So earlier I was thinking that maybe this A, B, C was done here, but when I check the retracement of this from this rise, it's not even 38.2%, so which makes me think that this is probably not yet done, and eventually that got kind of confirmed because of this rise was not clearly not 5 waves in any way, in any kind of I couldn't justify it in any way. So basically this whole congestion that we see, this is like wave 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we will have 5 down, which will complete this minor wave A of this ABC, and then a bounce in B, and then finally wave C down. So again, if I put it back, how deep this retracement could be, given that once wave A is complete, it will at least be 38.2 or slightly more than that. I would think once this is done, it might actually do something like, again, I think it might be something between 50% to 61.8%, or maybe slightly more than that. So let's see, and once we have 5 waves down here complete, then we can expect this whole B to complete, and then we should see the final leg of this leg down, this first leg of Y, which is A, and then this is larger B, and then C down. So that's the expectation. So tomorrow I think we should remain largely in wave B completion, and we might even start wave C. Let's see how that goes. And but right now it doesn't look like that this retracement is done, and it should even with some downside, we should still see some upside before we see Nifty turning towards the primary trend, which is on the downside. So that's the expectation from tomorrow, and let's see tomorrow how the price action evolves, and we'll share an update from there. That's all for this video. If you like this update, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.